In 1879, James Allan, a schoolteacher in Sunderland, founded what was then known as the Sunderland and District Teachers Association Football Club. Football at the time was still developing, but Allan saw its potential, not just as a game, but as something that could bring people together. The club quickly evolved into what we now know as Sunderland AFC. What started as a small local team would go on to become one of the most successful clubs in English football history. What many people don't realise is that James Allan is buried in Bishopwearmouth Cemetery in Sunderland. Over the years, Sunderland fans have wished to pay their respects at his grave, but have not been able to find it. As a funeral director, I'm used to finding graves, so I've created this video to show you exactly where it is. It's important to start at the crossroads at the exit of Sunderland Crematorium, which is just behind the cemetery. The easiest way to find this spot is to enter Sunderland Crematorium from the main entrance on Chester Road and follow the one-way system until you exit the crematorium at the back. About 50 metres ahead of you, you'll see a crossroads. Start your search here, facing forward, and start walking, as you can see in the video here. As you walk forward, you'll eventually see a chapel on the right as you come to another junction at the road. This chapel is under renovation at the moment. It has a lot of scaffolding around it. So use that as the main point to orientate yourself in the cemetery. The grave itself is actually quite easy to find once you know where it is. It took me about an hour to find it, and I was on the verge of giving up when all of a sudden I discovered it almost by accident. So as we go forward, you're going to look to the right in a second to see the chapel. But did you know that James Allan eventually left Sunderland AFC through disagreements, and he formed a rival club called Sunderland Albion? However, Sunderland Albion didn't really take off and it eventually folded. But Sunderland AFC did take off, and it's the club that we know and all love today. So now, as you can see, we're coming to a junction here, and we're going to take a left here. The chapel that's under renovation is on the right, so you can use that to orientate yourself. Take a left here and walk down this path here. Now, as you're walking down the path, you'll see there's some trees on the right-hand side. Just in front of you on the right is a large tree, and to the left of that large tree is a large pink granite memorial. This is James Allan's memorial. This is where James Allan, the founder of Sunderland Football Club, is buried with his wife Priscilla. It's quite easy to find. Look for the tree, you'll see the memorial. It takes 2 or 3 minutes from the exit of Sunderland Crematorium.